Are you still using ChatGPT like a glorified search engine? It's asking it random questions, copying the answers, and then moving on? If so, you're missing out on a massive opportunity. While most entrepreneurs are just scratching the surface, the top founders are transforming ChatGPT into a powerful AI operating system for their entire company. It's guiding their decisions, creating valuable assets, and saving them countless hours of repetitive work every single week. The difference isn't about being smarter, it's about how they use the tool. They don't just chat with ChatGPT, they architect it. They build a system. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how they do it, step by step, so you can do the same. First things first, and this is non-negotiable if you're serious about this, you need to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. This gives you access to the faster, more powerful models, file uploads, projects, custom GPTs, and all the advanced features that make the rest of this strategy possible. Honestly, it costs less than a lunch out, but it can replace hours of mental labor. Think of it as the cheapest, most efficient employee you will ever hire. Now that you've got the right tool, we need to solve the biggest problem most people have: context. If you feel like ChatGPT gives you generic, bland, or unhelpful answers, it's because it has no idea who you are or what your business is about. It's just guessing. We're going to fix that with something called the CEO Master Prompt. A master prompt is a single, comprehensive document that introduces ChatGPT to your business. It explains who you are, what you do, who your customers are, what you sell, your goals, your biggest challenges, and the standards you uphold. It's the foundational document that turns ChatGPT from a generalist into a personalized business consultant. And creating it is easier than you think. Simply open a new chat and ask ChatGPT to interview you to create a master prompt for your company. Say something like, act as an expert business consultant. I need you to interview me to create a detailed master prompt for my company. Ask me questions about my business model, target audience, products, brand voice, goals, and challenges. Answer its questions in as much detail as you can. The more you give it, the better the results will be. Once you're done, have it compile all your answers into a clean, well-organized document. Save this master prompt somewhere accessible. From now on, whenever you start an important task like developing a marketing strategy or drafting a business plan, ULL paste this master prompt in first. Suddenly, ChatGPT has all the context it needs to think like a key member of your team. Next up, we have system prompts. These are your new secret weapon, your company's intellectual property. System prompt isn't just a question. It's a detailed set of instructions that teaches ChatGPT how to perform a specific, repeatable task exactly the way you want it done. This could be anything from writing marketing emails, to creating social media content, to analyzing candidate resumes. Here's the trick. Don't try to write the perfect prompt from scratch. That's backward. Instead, work with ChatGPT in a normal chat to create the perfect output. Refine a piece of content, an email, or a report until it's exactly what you want. Once you have that perfect result, ask ChatGPT to reverse engineer it. Say, analyze the output we just created. Now write a detailed system prompt that would reliably recreate this exact style. Its tone and structure every time. Test that new prompt in a fresh chat window. If it works, save it. You've just created a reusable asset that will save you time and ensure consistency forever. Now, let's make those prompts even more powerful with a few simple keywords. These are commands that advanced users leverage to dramatically change how ChatGPT thinks and responds. For example, start your prompt with act as to assign it a role, like act as a direct response copywriter. Use deep research to force it to synthesize information from multiple sources instead of giving a surface-level answer. Use first principles thinking to break down a complex problem into its most basic truths. Use play devil's advocate to stress test your own ideas and find potential weaknesses. Use constraints first to ensure its suggestions are practical and realistic. For structured outputs, use format as a table with 3 columns. And when accuracy is critical, end with verify and cite your sources. These simple phrases will instantly upgrade the quality of every response you get. As you build out these assets, you need a way to organize them. Stop working in a long, messy list of random chats. This is where projects come in. Projects are dedicated workspaces inside ChatGPT. that remember context over time. You should create separate projects for different parts of your business. One for marketing, one for hiring, another for product research, and so on. Inside each project, you can upload relevant documents. In your marketing project, upload your brand style guide, customer personas, and past campaign reports. In your hiring project, upload job descriptions and ideal candidate profiles. Every conversation you have within that project builds on the last one. This creates what's called compounding context. The more you use ChatGPT within a project, the smarter and more helpful it becomes about that specific topic. Once you've perfected your system prompts, it's time to scale your expertise across your team without cloning yourself. We do this by turning your system prompts into custom GPTs. It's incredibly simple. Go to the GPT builder, paste in your proven system prompt as the core instruction, and then upload your master prompt and any other key documents as its knowledge base. Give it a name, and you can share it with your team via a simple link. Now, your team members can use this custom GPT to produce work that meets your exact standards without needing your constant supervision. You've effectively coded your expectations and best practices directly into the AI. This removes you as a bottleneck and ensures quality and consistency as your company grows. Finally, there's one last tweak that makes the entire experience smoother. Go into your ChatGPT settings and fill out the custom instructions. This is where you tell ChatGPT about your personal preferences. How do you like responses to be formatted? What's your preferred tone of voice? Are there things you want it to always do or never do? For example, you could tell it, always respond in a concise, professional tone, and use bullet points for lists. From that point on, every single answer it gives you in any chat will be pre-optimized for your style without you having to ask every time. It's a small change that removes friction from every interaction. At this point, you can see how the pieces fit together. ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot. It's your company's AI operating system. You bring it problems. You give it context with your master prompt. You guide its execution with system prompts. You organize the work in projects. You distribute your knowledge through custom GPTs, and you streamline every conversation with custom instructions. The real skill for entrepreneurs in this new era isn't about doing all the work yourself. It's about effectively directing the work. Your job is to focus on judgment, creativity, and the high-level decisions that truly move your business forward. Let AI handle the execution. Your journey starts today, and it begins with one simple but powerful step: creating your CEO master prompt. That is where the real leverage begins. Go build it now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, make sure to subscribe for more strategies on how to build and scale your business with AI. See you in the next one.